Hello everyone! Alright, today we're gonna learn part 2, spreading the risk of the part 2 of Unit 5. Now, let's see what we're gonna learn in the part 2. Do you think what we learned? Okay, I'm gonna show it you. In this part, in the first part, in this one, we're gonna read the article about the main aim of the portfolio. Now, let's spend 1 minute to read thoroughly, and then we're gonna read together. Okay, now let's read together. A portfolio is a combination of different types of investment. It can include bank account, bond, share, property, mutual funds, or any other types of investment. Investors use a portfolio to minimize the risk. They may lose money in one area, but they can make up profits in others. Spreading risk by including many different types of investment in a portfolio is called the diversification. Many financial institutions, such as banks, offer a portfolio manager service. A portfolio manager decide what asset to include in the portfolio, what to buy, how many to buy, when to buy, and what to sell. Their decision depend on the goal of the portfolio owner and the changing economic conditions. Each investor has his or her own financial need, so no two portfolios are the same. The main goals of any portfolio is to put the investor money in different places that improve their chances to making a profit. Okay, we already finished the passage. Right now I want you gonna read it again and complete this sentence here. 1 minute for everyone to finish this sentence and using give word here. Now, let's read all the question or the sentence here. A portfolio combine different line of investments. Number 2, the aim of a portfolio is to minimize blank. Number 3, a bank may offer a portfolio service to its customer. Number 4, diversification is a way of risk. A portfolio manager chooses to include in the portfolio. Now, right now, did you have the answer? Now, question 1, we got types. Okay, question number 2, we got risk. Number 3, we got management. Number 4, we got spreading. Number 5, we got assets. Okay, next, let's finish the question from number 6 to number 8 and use the given word here. Okay, in this part you also have to read thoroughly and choose the correct given word to finish these sentences from 6 to 8. So now let's read together. The question number 6, the manager makes up the customer effect of the decision of the portfolio manager makes. Number 7, the investor all have the different need. 8, the making a profit are improved if the investor portfolio is diversified. Okay, diversified. Now, did you get the answer? Okay, let's check it. Number 6, we got rules. the manager goals. Next, number 7, we got financial. Number 8, chances. Okay, we just finished this part, and right now, I want we move on the next part. In this part, you're gonna write 2 or 4 in the front of each sentence, 6 sentences here. Read again and give it to me the answer, true or false. Maybe I'm gonna give you 1 minute to finish this one. 30 seconds might be enough if you already read thoroughly this passage, this article about the investment portfolio. Okay, now number 1 is true. 2, F, false, right? Number 3, false. All investment in a portfolio are likely to make the same amount of profit. It's not true, right? False. Next, portfolio manager look at the economic condition when they make a decision about what asset to put in the portfolio. Of course, it's true. Most portfolios are very similar. No, it depends on the portfolio owner, right? Number 6, more investors have the same financial needs. Okay, now next.
Unit 5, Recording 27. 1.
I'm single, I have a good, well-paid job, and I have a lot of money to invest. I'm interested in a high return on my money, and I want to see my investments grow quickly.
2.
I'm married with 2 children. I'm a teacher. I want to invest some of my money so I can pay for my children to go to university. They are still young, so I have plenty of time. Going to university is very expensive, but I worry about high-risk investments.
3.
We are retired. We have some savings and would like some investments that will give us money for extras, like holidays and presents for our grandchildren. We don't want to invest in shares because we worry that we may lose our capital if the share price falls.
Okay, now let's match the person in the column 1, the picture 1, picture 2, and picture 3 with the portfolio ABC. 1 minute to finish this one. The portfolio is well diversified with a mixture of low and high risk investment. The portfolio's manager have broad share in some good companies, and he thinks these will increase the value gradually. There is of course, no guarantee that the higher risk investment in the portfolio will make a profit, but he believes they will create over 10 years period. Okay, so with A, B, C. Now, we got 1, 2, portfolio B, and next the person 2 is matched with the portfolio A. And of course, the picture number 3 is the portfolio C.
Unit 5, Record.
Okay, right. We already finished the exercise in the part 2, spreading the risk. And right now, let's review the lesson today. In today's lesson, we just focus on 2 parts. The first one is the language, and the second one is the vocabulary. In the language parts, we learn about a lot of vocabulary that relate to investment portfolio, like a lot of type of investment like share, bond, mutual fund, or any like a portfolio, right? Portfolio is like a combination of different types of investment, right? Okay, vocabulary. Talk about vocabulary. We already learned about some expression, minimize risks, diversified, high return. Okay, and no risk, for example. Okay, so that is the part 2 of Unit 5. Thank you for listening.